Hi, Giovanni. Before I get started on this week's poems, I just wanted to say that it's been a pleasure to get to know your work and your unique voice these last 7 weeks. It really has been an honor and a pleasure. I also want to make sure you know that Pima Community College has a literary magazine. It's actually really well respected. It's won several awards over the years. It's called Sand Script. And if you were interested in submitting any of your work, I think it would be well received. And I think it should be published, and I think other people should be reading it. So I just want to encourage you to put your work out there beyond this class. I think it's really good. I think you have a lot of talent, and I'd love to see it out there and published. So thank you so much for sharing your work with me, for showing up with such authenticity and vulnerability these last 7 weeks. In terms of your poems this week, this is a playground. I love that you used Caitlin and Kanisha's poems to write this poem. I thought that was fantastic. And it was definitely, let me get to your question because I've forgotten it. In the first poem, did I portray the feelings of being on the playground? Yes, I think you definitely did portray the feelings of being on the playground. In terms of the second one, You Are Forgiven, I love the concept of this poem. I love a future self forgiving our current self. It's really such a lovely, lovely concept, and I love the way that you wrote it. Um, I thought it was really, really beautiful. You asked about it being, said it was a spoken word piece. Is the tone easy to pick up on? Yeah, I think um, it's absolutely clear. There was one moment which I've just lost. Hold on, so give me a second. Yeah, I paused the recording and came back to it. So when you said, Lord, lift us up where we belong, I'm just wondering if that line should be in italics, right? Because it's a line from a song. So I would consider putting that line in italics. Um, Other than that, I think it's beautiful. I just want to say right on, great work in this class. It's been a pleasure, and I look forward to reading your final portfolio.